In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can remove or delete an admin member from your ClickUp Workspace. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside your main dashboard, you're going to go to your top right here on your profile, and after clicking on it, a drop-down menu should appear. So, you're going to go to Settings. From there, on the left panel, click on People. Now, you're going to see here all the members of your workspace. Now, before I continue, to do this and remove an admin member, you have to be the owner of this workspace. And since I'm the owner, for example, I have this member, an admin member, we're simply going to hover and click right here on this rightmost button. And as you can see, I have the option to either revoke his admin membership or to remove him completely. So once I confirm this member would then be removed. And that's it. So if you want to support the channel, feel free to use the affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.